Huawei's Mate 20 Pro and Samsung's Galaxy Note 9 pack top specifications, but how do they stack up against each other in a real-world speed test? We'll start with both phones freshly booted and test fingerprint scanning speeds first. Between the hardware scanner on the Note 9 and the in-screen fingerprint sensor on the Mate 20 Pro, the Note 9 is just marginally faster, but not enough to make a significant difference. While we're at it, we'll also test the face unlock features on both phones, where the Mate 20 Pro is faster than the Note 9. Before we start, let's make sure that both these phones are connected to the same Wi-Fi and are running their latest software. To preface, the software on the Mate 20 Pro is pre-release and will most probably see an update on launch day. I'll also get into the camera to switch them to selfie mode and have an identical 4K video loaded up in the background to render through the first round of the speed test. With all that in check, let's start the stopwatch. Both the phones remain neck and neck through the start of the test when loading apps in the first row, but gradually the Mate 20 starts to edge slightly ahead, especially when loading the social media applications. Yet the difference between the phones is still not very significant. With the social media row finished, we'll start rendering the video we loaded earlier on both phones. During this, we really see the power of the Kirin 980 processor as it breezes past the render much faster than the Exynos 9810 processor found on the Note 9. This allows the Mate 20 Pro to make a head start in loading games. While the Mate 20 Pro is on Asphalt 9, the last of the games, the Note 9 finishes the render. And with Asphalt 9 loaded, the Mate 20 Pro finishes off the last two apps to finish the round in 2 minutes 43 seconds. As it moves to the second round of memory management, it is able to keep all applications open and surprisingly comes very close to finishing the second round before the Note 9 completes its first round in 3 minutes 16 seconds, a considerably slower effort. Just 6 seconds later, the Mate 20 Pro actually finishes the entire test at 3 minutes 22 seconds, whereas the Note 9 still has much of the second round for memory management left to go. The good thing about the Note 9 was the fact that all the apps loaded in the first round stayed in memory, and at 3 minutes 56, the Note 9 also finishes the entire test, 34 seconds behind the Mate 20 Pro. This shows how the added power of the Kirin 980 can make a difference in everyday performance, and here the Mate 20 Pro is definitely superior. That's all from me. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more coverage coming soon.